Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Cat Scrappiness, and I'm here to introduce the new Fluttering By collection in the new release at Cat Scrappiness. Oh, this one is just fun to play with. It is a layering stamp set of butterflies. You get the full butterfly. It's easier to see it here on the matching die. You get the full butterfly, then you get the side profile, and then you get the other side profile. Now, when you look at this to stamp it out, these are the solid, and usually with the solid stamps, where the ink will be on the whole surface, you want these to be in kind of a lighter shade of the color, and then the details in the more darker shade to then create that contrast and that pop. So let me show you some of what I have stamped already, and I do plan to put these on a card. Super cute. So this is like a pink colorway. See here, I did light pink in the background and then a darker pink, and then this is almost like a turquoise, but I guess it turned out more, I don't know, like a darker blue because of the layering. And here's a tip for you guys. If you do this, if you're seeing that splotchy look, this is with a felt stamping pad like most ink dyes. If you want to get solid stamping like what you see here, use like the foam. Many companies carry it. Most companies do carry the felt, which would give you this look. I kind of liked it both ways. I like that kind of a distressed look with the butterfly, and then I decided to take out a different one with the foam and then go in more solid with the detail. I also made a yellow version. I was playing with it. This now is more solid. How you don't see all that splotchy, how you see it more solid. The foam ink pad will give you that. Here I was playing again, different colorway. And the die cuts out well. And I also, with the ink pad I had, my foam ink pad, I could also do the heat emboss with the transparent embossing powder. Look at that. Cute, right? So check out the Fluttering By set, stamp and die, and then even this cute little motion at Cat Scrappiness in her new release. Alrighty, crafters, happy shopping. Bye.